It was supposed to be a quiet night for Lazy Bird, but the forest had other plans. While Bird dreamed of tomorrow's naps, a snack heist unfolded under the moon. Meet Raccoon, nighttime ninja, berry bandit, snack smuggler supreme, sneaky paws, bag of nuts, slipping past the nest. Mission impossible? Not tonight. Suddenly, Bird's beak flicked open. One yawn turned into a chase. With wings half spread and feathers flying, Bird raced through branches. Mailer bag Raccoon in hot pursuit. Crash! Bark! A berry flew. The nest shook. Bird caught the thief mid-snack. Raccoon froze. Berries surrendered. Bird held the prize, one juicy golden blueberry. As dawn painted the sky pink, Bird returned to his nest, snack in claw, Raccoon at peace. Some nights, Bird thought with a grin, naps must wait for tuna heists. Morale? Even the laziest can fly into action when snacks are at stake. Would you binge watch a forest heist with Lazy Bird? Subscribe for more wild adventures.